Hi, welcome to CIS110 2025 Term 6. I'm your instructor, Nicki Black. Since we're going to be spending the next 8 weeks together, I wanted to introduce myself and the course. I want to give you a little bit of information about myself first. I'm a mom of 3. I'm married, live with my husband and my youngest son in northern Kentucky, just over the river from Cincinnati, Ohio. My youngest is heavily involved in sports, so most of my time is spent going to workouts, going to practices, going to games, going to events, being the chauffeur, being the cheer mom. When I am not doing that, I am teaching and an instructional designer. So I get how difficult it can be to fit school into your busy lives. I totally understand that. And I know for many of you that CIS 110 is your first college course. So we've kept that in mind as we've designed the course, and we have set that up so that each week is one topic. So you will have activities due each week, and those will be graded at the end of the week on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So we'll go over a topic. You will have some reading materials, kind of like a textbook. You'll have videos that will help guide you. Those are normally pretty easy to go through to understand the topics. Make sure you look at that. That is, instead of being in a classroom, that is how you learn how to do the application, how you learn the topics that we're talking about. Go through that stuff and then do the activities. Okay, submit your work for that week. Then I will grade it at the end of that week. Okay, if you don't get something submitted, you'll see a 0. Don't freak out. If you want to submit it after that, that's okay, but you'll have a 0 there. If you submit it on a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you still see a 0. You'll see a 0 until the following week when I grade it on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So just something to keep in mind, that if Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday comes and there's still a 0, you want to nudge me, that's fine. If you ever have any questions, it's about grading or something else, you can reach out to me. There is a discussion called Ask the Instructor. You could put questions in there. Don't put grading questions in there. That is for all the students to see. So if you have a question that you need some clarification on for one of the assignments, you put that there. But if you have a grading question, send that to me in an email. My email is nblack@instructor.post.edu. So anything personal, send through there. Throughout the course, I'll be here with you, helping, guiding you, answering questions, and I will send out announcements through the Blackboard, and it'll give you a little bit of tips to help guide you throughout the process. So we're in this together, and I hope you enjoy the class, and I look forward to seeing your introductions in Blackboard and learning all about you.